Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a pyraminx. Now, this isn't really like any other Rubik's Cube that I've ever seen, because it is a pyramid, and it has different sides and everything. Now, there are ones that are like either bigger pyraminxes, or littler pyraminxes, but this is a pyraminx. So I'm going to show you how to solve it. If you got one and you don't know how to solve it, or if you just have one and you want to learn how to solve it. So what you first want to do is you want to mix it up first. So let's do that. Whoa. Sorry for any headphone users out there. I know that sounded pretty loud to me too, so sorry. Okay, I think this is mixed up really well. So, yeah. So what we're gonna do first is we need to see if the corners actually match up. So the first thing you want to do for that is actually basically like guess and check, where it's like, oh, can we do the blue? Because, okay, we have one corner that can do blue, two corners that can do blue. This corner cannot do blue. Let me see. Oh, this can do red, so can we do red? This corner can't do red. What about green? Can we do green? No. What about yellow? Can we do yellow? We can do yellow, actually. So that's that. If you want to back it up to see how I did that, it's fine too. Or pause it or anything. But yeah. The next part is for getting these, as you can see. You're trying to get these shapes on each side. So how you do that is you twist the middle of it, which either you can do this and then twist the center back, or you can go like this. You twist the corner and twist this back. And now, and once again, you can either twist this corner, twist it back, or you can twist this, twist the corner back. So we have this shape. Now what we're gonna do, this is the most complicated part of it. This is the part that takes the longest to learn. But before that, we have to see if all of the other sides match up. So do the corner thing and match these. So I think all the sides are good. So now we go back to our side. And this is actually the most complicated part, which will take the longest to learn. There's an algorithm you have to do. So I'll just show it to you, then I'll show you how to do it. So it's like this. I know, pretty hard, right? When you're learning, it's actually really hard. So to show you it again, what you do is this. Now, how you do that is, oh, it's on a different side. So like that. Now, I'll show you how to do that. Now, the thing you do is, see the green? I want it to go right here instead of this going here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it here so that it is right here. And I want it to go right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist this up. Then I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to bring this down again. Then I'm going to bring this down again. And see, we have that here. And now we can just twist this back. Now we have that where we want it. Again, you can pause it, rewind the video to see what we have to do. But again, what we have to do is if you want to move this up here. So we want this to go right here and for this side to be solved in. So what we're going to do is going to move this up like this. So it's right here. Then we move this side up like all the way over here. Then we move this down again, and then we move this down. And in this case, we solved it, but if you mix it up any other way, you'll have to do that a few times on the other sides. So let's just show you how you would do that. So let's mix this up again, and I'll show you how you do that in that scenario. So now we're gonna put the corners back and everything. I'm gonna gonna see if everything works. Yep. And then what you do, like I'm gonna solve this side really quickly. So now we move this back. Now we have this side solved, but none of the other sides are. Actually, so what we're going to do is we're just going to keep doing that and doing that. So we're going to move this over here, up, up, down, down. Move this over here, yellow, want to go up here, up, up, down, down. And there we go, it's solved. We have to do that 2 times for the sides now. And also one last thing before I go, the up, up, down, down movement. If you get really good at it, you can start doing it like really fast. Pretty cool. And also, what you can do, if you do that, if you do up, up, down, down in a cube, and you did not want to do that, you can use either you can do that on the other side, up, up, down, down, or you can just do that 3 times. So up, up, down, down. Well, I didn't want to do that. Now it's all mixed up. Let's do that again. Up, up, down, down. And do that one more time. Up, up, down, down. That is how you solve a pyraminx. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment what you like the most or what you would like to see me do. And I'll see you next time. Bye!